So today, we will process JSON data and complete the project. In the previous session, we parsed the JSON data and converted them into usable JavaScript. Now it's time to look at how we will output that information to the web page. In index.html, you can find sample HTML that you can use. If you uncomment that code, you can see the final result of the project. If the employee is in the office, a green icon appears next to the name with the text "in". Otherwise, a red icon appears with the text "out". Now, we need to generate this HTML using JavaScript. So, let's comment the code again. Then open script.js. Create a variable at the top, const status div, and use document.querySelector. Select the div with the ID status. We are selecting this div because we will be appending our HTML inside this div. Then remove console.log we added in our previous session. To add an UL tag, create a variable HTML and assign it to UL. For this li tag, we need to use the for loop. So add let I equals 0, I is less than data.length, I++. We are adding this class in and out based on the in office in data.json. To use the if-else statement. Inside the condition, add data i.inOffice equals true. If the condition is yes, then add HTML plus equals, use the backtick, add li class in. To show the name, use $data_i.name and a closing li tag. In the else statement, add HTML plus equals li class out and use $data_i.name and a closing li tag. After the for loop, let's close the UL tag. So add HTML plus equals closing UL tag. Then we need to add HTML in status div. So add status div dot inner HTML equals HTML. Check the preview and it works. Now, in the future, if the data changes, the UI will update automatically. Great! This is the end of this finalization. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn AJAX with the project. I will see you again in my next video.